Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the tutorial of connecting the Skydroid H12 Pro to the SIYI ZT30. Skydroid H12 Pro remote control is equipped with wireless high-definition image transmission technology independently developed by SIYI Technology, which combines remote control, data, and image links into one. It has adaptive frequency band characteristics and can automatically switch to the working frequency with the least interference, and the communication distance can reach up to 10 kilometers. The SIYI ZT30 is a high-performance hybrid gimbal pod with 4 integrated sensors, combining a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder, and wide-angle camera, enabling efficient collaboration across multiple applications. This video mainly consists of 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wiring. How to present the results. What products will be used in this test? The products used in today's video include SIYI ZT30 Gimbal Pod, Skydroid H12 Pro Remote Controller, CN7 Flight Controller, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include XT60 to JST and XT30 adapter, ZT30 power cable, H12 Pro S.Bus plus Telem cable and ZT30 signal transmission cable, CN7 power module. How to connect the wiring. The signal transmission port of the SIYI ZT30 connects to the network port of the H12 receiver. The ZT30 uses a GH1.259 pin connector, and the H12 receiver uses a DuPont 2.54mm 4-pin connector. The S.Bus port and Telem port of the H12 Pro connect to the RC port and Telem port of the N7 flight controller. The H12 Pro uses a DuPont 2.54mm 6-pin connector. The N7 Telem port uses a GH1.256 pin connector, and the N7 RC port uses a DuPont 2.54mm 3-pin connector. The power module connects to the battery to supply power to the flight controller and receiver. The adapter connects to the other end of the power module, and the ZT30 power cable connects the adapter to the ZT30. The ZT30 power interface uses an SH1.254 pin connector, and the power input is XT30. How to present the results. Open UniGCS in the remote controller. After entering, click the top right corner, where you can select addresses for camera A and camera B. Once selected, the ground station will automatically recognize the gimbal as ZT30. For ZT30, you can choose between thermal imaging and visible light. In the flight interface, tap the small window in the lower right corner to switch screens. Long press the screen for 2 seconds to control camera movement. The menu on the top right allows you to take photos, record videos, and shows recording duration. Click the first icon on the left to control the ZT30 with one click. There are 4 shortcuts. Center reset, pitch and you return to center. You'll reset, pitch down. You returns to center, pitch down 90 degrees. You'll reset only. You returns to center, pitch remains unchanged. Pitch down. You'll unchanged, pitch down 90 degrees. Click the second icon on the left to switch multi-sensor display modes. Single view, only zoom camera is displayed. Single view, only wide-angle camera is displayed. Single view, only thermal imaging is displayed. Dual view, zoom camera on the left, thermal camera on the right. Dual view, wide-angle camera on the left, thermal camera on the right. Dual view, zoom camera on the left, wide-angle camera on the right. Click the zoom icon on the right to control ZT30 zoom. The ZT30 supports 30 optical zoom and 180 hybrid zoom. ZT30 is equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder, supporting a measurement range of 1,200 meters. The thermal imaging camera supports global, point, and area temperature measurement. You can select any region on the screen, and the system will automatically mark the highest and lowest temperature points within the area and display the corresponding temperature data. The thermal imaging camera also supports palette modes to assign different color schemes for high and low temperature areas, making heat data easier to interpret in various scenarios. This concludes the tutorial video on Skydroid H12 Pro connecting to SIYI ZT30. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the video content, or if you would like us to provide more in-depth explanations in future videos, please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel, where we will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.